So, merong 1/2 squared minus tong terms na 3/4 minus 1/2 divided by 2/3 plus 1/2. So, isa-isay natin. So, ito guys, magiging 1/4. Gets na natin yung kasi 1 squared is 1. Then, 2 squared magiging 4. Kapin natin yung subtraction. Then, solve natin to. So, meron tayong 3/4 minus 1/2. Kunin mo lang LCD which is 4. Then, 4 divide 4 times yung numerator. Magiging 3. Then, 4 divide 2 is 2. Times 1 is 2. So, magiging 2/4. Then, divide ang bilang term. Kunin din LCD ng 3 tsaka 2. Which is 6. Then, 6 divide 3 is 2 times 2 magiging 4. Plus 6 divide 2 is 3 times 1 is 3. Then, simplify natin. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 1/4 minus yung 3 minus 2 is magiging 1 over 4. Then, divide 4 plus 3 is magiging 7 over 6. Wherein ito pwede mo siya reciprocal para makuha mo yung sagot. Mas madali. So, magkakaroon tayo doon ng 1/4. 6 over 7. Then, pwede ka na mag-simplify dito sa numerator. Wherein, magkakaroon tayo ng 1/4 minus yung 6 tsaka 4 divisible by 2, diba? So, pag inanuhan natin to guys, magiging 3 to. Ito magiging 2. Kasi naka-times naman yun eh. So, magkakaroon ka ng 1 times 3, which is 3. Then, yung 2 times 7, magiging 14. Wherein, ito, mag-subtract na lang. So, kunin natin LCD. Parang may mali ako Anyways, so, tingnan natin. So, 1/4 minus 3 over 14. LCD nila is 28, no? So, magkakaroon tayo ng 28 doon. Then, 28 divide 4 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Minus 28 divide 14 is 2. Times yung 3 natin is 6. So, yung 7 minus 6 is magiging 1 over 28. Yun. Gets. Depende kung inaantok na yan. Inaantok na ako. Bahala ka dyan. So, that's correct. Galing mo Idol. Bukas naman idol. Tulugan na. Thank you. Thank you guys sa inyong panonood, sa pagtambay, sa inyong pag-follow. Antok na ako. Ano na? Sila? 11:30 na. Bye. Bukas naman. Intindihan ba yun? Post ko na lang to. Gusto nyo? Ayaw nyo, edi gusto ko pa rin